Hello guys, this is Jitendra. Welcome to my channel, The Office Guys Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the awesome looking microstructure in 3 axis. So some people you might have seen that they use to indicate the microstructure in X, Y, Z, X and the Y, Z plane in a 3D looking picture. So I'm going to show you how you can make such images in PowerPoint. This is going to be the first video. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how you can really convert these pictures into 3D and create something of this sort as you can see on the screen. So stay tuned, follow the channel, and let's start the tutorial. So for your A's, I've created 3 rectangles or squares indicated as top, front, and left, and I'm going to show you how you can convert and create a picture like this. So let me delete this first. Now you can see we have the 3 planes over here. So let me just duplicate them. Select the first one and come to the Format Shape tab. If you're unable to see this, right click on the rectangle and click Format Shape. Once it is there, come to the Effects tab and come to the last option called 3D Rotation. And then select this option, Isometric Top Up. Fine. Now this is the front view. Similar way, come to the 3D Rotation and select isometric left down. Okay, in the similar way, left one also you select isometric right up. Now once this is done, what you have to do is just maybe you can zoom in and then you can keep your pictures. Use your keyboard to do the fine adjustments. So that looks good. In a similar way, I will keep this here. So it's very easy to do, and moreover, one more thing you can do is I usually do select all the 3 boxes, come back again, and in the contour give it a white color, contour of around 2 points will be fairly good. Adjust the images so that they look correct, and here we go. We have the 3D microstructure in place. Let's say you have some sort of picture. So let me insert a picture. So let's say this is the SEM image I have. So all right, reserved to the honor. So I'm just showing it for the demonstration. So the first thing first that you have to do, let's say you got 3 pictures. Okay, so let me duplicate these 3. So 1, 2, and let's say 3. The only thing that you have to make sure in your image that these should be square, because what we are making is a cube. So obviously the 3 images should be of square. So select all the 3, come to the picture format option, crop to shape. This is fine. I think it works with single. So aspect ratio, make it 1:1. The next one also make aspect ratio as 1:1. And the third one as well, you make it the aspect ratio 1. So once this is done, it's as simple as we did earlier. So select the top one, give it the top. This one, give the right side or the left side, whatever you say, and this one. So make sure you bring all together like this and like this, and you're good to go. So this is the way you can create beautiful 3D microstructure diagrams for your publications. Make sure to follow this channel, because next tutorial we are going to see how you can make, let's say this is 3-sided and you want to make some animation to show how the microstructure looks, or it can be anything. It looks around 360 degree. So you can see it says left, behind it's right, this is front, this is back, this is top, this is bottom. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So as soon as I upload the video, you'll get to know. For this video, thanks. I hope you learned something. So goodbye.